channel. My name is Rachel Banks, and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. So I'm so excited today. I have my Globein box for the month of August. So I'm super excited about that. This is actually my second box from this particular subscription. And it is a monthly subscription. And the idea behind the box is that you get items from around the world every month. Now you get to choose a thing. So they have like what they call an open session or something like that, where you get to go in like at the beginning of the month. So like the August month box, you go from like August 1st to like August 3rd. This is just an example, and you get to choose a theme. And the themes that they have are like kitchen things, where you get items for your kitchen, or you can get like a tea thing where you get like tea items, or you can get a gardening thing where you get like garden items. But the trick is that as soon as that window opens where you get to choose, it's like first come first serve, and they only have so many boxes, so you have to go in there and quickly choose a box that you would like. So I do like the idea that it's not just random things that are sent to you. You get to choose a theme, or if you do like surprise and you kind of don't know what you really want, you get to choose a random option. You can say, hey, send me whatever you want to. And I kind of want to get the garden theme at some point, because I have tons of house plants and stuff like that in the house, and and their gardening themes are really cool. But every time I get in there, it's always sold out. And they come pretty quickly. So as soon as you kind of like choose your theme, it seems like within the next week or two, your box comes, which makes sense because you choose it within the month that you get the box. But it's really a really fast process. So again, this is Globein, and this is my August box. So let's jump right on in. Okay. So in the boxes you get a pamphlet, and in the pamphlet it describes the items that are in your box, who made your box, because again it's from around the world, so what country it was made in, and then it describes a little bit about the person who made the items for you. So that's another thing, these items are handmade, which I can really appreciate. So it's from around the world, it's handmade items. So it's really good. And the theme that I have for this month is the boho box, which is kind of like part of the theme of my house. Is kind of like Afrocentric. Boho meets a little bit of glam. So super excited about this particular box, just to add a little bit more of the boho element to my home. So I'm gonna see if I want to go in order or just pull items. I think I'm just gonna pull items out the box. Okay, so the first thing that is on top, which I'm super excited about, is this what they call it, a trivet, I think. Let me see. Let me find it in the book. Yes. So this is a unity trivet. And it was made in Uganda. And it's so pretty, and it matches the theme of my home. And it has like this little thing on the back where you can hang it from the wall if you want to, which is what I plan to do. I'm going to hang this in my wall in my front room, because the colors kind of match the color scheme in my front room. And I think that this natural seagrass color right here will kind of like lighten up my front room. So I'm super excited about this. And this is the person who made it. Okay, and a little bit about her story. And here is the trivet right here. Okay, so the next thing in the box, let's see, what's this? This is a lacquered coconut bowl. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty too. See that? Oh my gosh. And then look on the inside. It's like a very pretty seafoam green lacquer on the inside, and the outside is a coconut. And it was made, it's a Vietnamese bowl. And this is the person who made it. Very cool. And then the example that they give is using the bowl as like a jewelry container. Now you can do whatever you want with these items, and when they come into your house, you can use it on a shelf like a little decorative piece just by itself. You can put items in it Maybe even hang it if you want to. Whatever you want to do, you can do. The sky is the limit. I'm not sure how I want to use it yet, but it is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay. And the next thing in the box is this item right here. So, let's see. This is a grassland table runner. So, in my last box, I got a table runner. So, I'm going to insert a picture of sneak peek. Because I said once I get all the items from my Globein box, I think my next box, my September box, I think that's going to be my last box. When that one comes, I'm going to do an overview on how I used all of the items that I got from Globein. Okay, so this is a table runner that was made in India. And this is the person who made it. Okay, and this is the table runner. So let's open it. Let's see. I kind of want to see how long. Oh, it smells good. Smells like tea. Oh, it smells so good. And this is the table runner, so it's kind of like a. Did I describe it kind of? This is. It's made out of grass. Wow, this is pretty long. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it will add some culture and color to your home, which is what my goal is. I'm super excited about this particular table runner. Very, very cutesy. Okay, is that it before I open up this last box? Yep. Okay, so last but not least is this box right here, this fragile box. Let me get it open. Okay, so let's see. This one is very well packed. Wow, look at that. Got tons of shredded paper. Here. Oh, I think I opened it upside down, which is fine. Wow. Look at that. Very well packed. Get my book. It's heavy too. Readily. Ooh, look at this planter. Isn't it gorgeous? So it's like the terracotta, the whitewashed terracotta planter. It is so heavy. Very gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This box is thebomb.com. I'm sorry. It just is. This box is so good. Let's see. Okay. So this is a whitewashed terracotta planter. It's 4.5 diameters, 5 by 5 inches in height. And it is made in Bangladesh. Okay, this is the bottle right here. So I'm so super excited to have received this. Let me see. I thought I saw something else in the book. It was really okay. So they have a new house plants from Surprising Places. Before you go to the nursery to look for an handsome house plant for the sunlit. So it's kind of giving you an idea of what you could do with the planter. It says, take a look in your kitchen. You might have the perfect houseplant hiding in your avocados. So it gives you steps on how to pick the avocado and to use that seed to eventually get a plant. So it says, procedure, remove the pit from the avocado carefully without cutting it. Soak it in water for a few minutes, then wipe it clean. And then it says you want to put the seed in top side up. The little knob should be at the bottom, and then fill a cup halfway with water. Okay, so you're going to be doing this in a cup. So you're going to put it in a cup first. This is so that the seed can germinate. And it says take 3 to 4 toothpicks and gently push them into the side of the seeds, angled upward. Put the seed into the cup so the bottom half is submerged in water. Place your cup in a sunny windowsill and change the water every week. Your seed should sprout roots and a stem in 2 to 8 weeks, so be patient. Don't remove the husk, as this nourishes the plant in its early stages. Keep it in the water until the plant reaches 6 inches in height, then you can transfer to soil. So I just might do that. That's something I've never tried to do, was actually germinate an avocado seed. So that should be fun. This box was pretty cool. So again, this is the boho box, and I got all of the items that were pictured here. I got the planter, the trivet, the coconut bowl, and the table runner. So this was a really good box. Super excited. I'm definitely going to use all the items in the box. And even in my last box that I received, I loved all of the items that I got, and they would be used. So hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which item in the box you enjoy most, or you think you would get the most use out of. If you're interested in getting a Globein box, if you already have a Globein box, leave all of that down in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then to all my existing subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon.